If you go to Aveson and want to join the Minecraft server, this video is for you. A brief intro. The Aveson Minecraft server is for members of the Aveson community who want to play Minecraft together in an internet server, but without having other folks or adults that could be on that server. So you will be asked to give your kid and adult name and contact information, not because we're going to contact you, but because if the player is acting in a way that wouldn't be accepted at school, then we will contact the adult and try to resolve it. Okay, how to log into the Aveson Minecraft server. Start Minecraft. This server uses a whitelist, which means your name has to be on that list before the server will allow you to log in. And to get your name on that list, you email the Aveson tech team with your Minecraft name spelled exactly as it is, with capitals and lowercase, and your student name, parent name, email, and phone number. And then I will set you up. And once you get in and start your Minecraft, you'll go to multiplayer. You can add a server, and we'll call this the Aveson server. And for your server address, it should work to put this, aveson.mymc.io. Just say done there. Where did that go? At the very bottom? Yeah, Aveson server. So we can click on that now and join it. And this is now within the Aveson server. Now I'm going to quit for just a sec and show you, in case that doesn't work, you could create a server and use the IP address. The first part is a name. If that name doesn't work for some reason, you can try this IP address, 184.95.39.155. And you shouldn't need to put a port in because it uses the default port. Let's try that one. I think that's the one I just created it. We can edit it to check. Yep, that's the one we just created. No, that's wrong. Okay, this one is using just the IP address. So we'll try to join that server, and that works as well. So that's essentially how you join the Aveson server. It's raining now. That's it. Fade to Hogwarts. Okay, there's a little more here in that we've set up a voice server. So if you want to be able to talk over your computer to other kids, download this program and you can run that in the background while you play Minecraft. Otherwise, you can communicate to each other by typing on the screen or by posting signs to each other. Okay, how to get TeamSpeak. We'll do it on a Mac first. Go to Google and let's find it. TeamSpeak. All right, we locate it. We're gonna download. Let's just look for downloads. We're in TeamSpeak 3. That's the type of server that we have. If you are on Windows, if you've got Windows 8, you very likely have a 64-bit client. If you're on Windows 7, still probably 64, but you can go to your system settings, go to Control Panel, System Setup, and you'll see what the operating system is. And if you've got that, you're going to download the 64 or 32-bit client, depending what it says your operating system is. For Mac, we should be able to just go straight to the client and download. We're going to have to agree to a bunch of things. We don't know what they say. Help us with a quick survey. Other. My school. I put Cube Toast, but anyway, you can also say no thanks. So we're going to start downloading, and I'll stop the video. We'll pick it back up when it's downloaded, and we'll go through the install. All right, it's downloaded, so we'll give a try to the install. I haven't done this before, so it's going to be what it is. All right, I went ahead and said open, which means run the application that we just downloaded. So it's going to go ahead and start an installation. I'm going to agree to a bunch of things I don't understand. This is the way you install on Macs. Don't you wish that was the case on PC? You basically grab it and drag it into your applications folder, and that begins the installation process. It's supposed to. Sure, replace. Okay, it's there. I don't know if that means we can run it. Let's give it a shot. I'm in Finder. I supposedly have TeamSpeak. Let's see if it works, just for the heck of it. With the PC version, there's a lot of questions you have to answer. It's an application downloaded from the internet. Okay, we'll give it a shot. I want to see if it's going to open up an application version or the actual server. Okay, it opened up the actual server. So this is a client application that we would run in the background when we were going to play Minecraft on the Aveson server. So, okay, it's running through the setup. This is the same kind of thing we would use elsewhere. Choose a nickname. I'm going to put in somebody else's Minecraft nickname. I would recommend you just use your Minecraft nickname or Minecraft logon. That way other people would be able to know who you are. You can do it as a push to talk or voice activation. We'll do it with voice activation so that you can just start talking and not worry about pushing a key. Whoa. Checks that it's working. We'll have a lot of echoes right now. You can mute mics or speakers. We won't bother. We can tell if it's going to be male or female for the voice speaking. Choose what you wish. We're done. Forget the public server list. Forget the rent your own TeamSpeak server. We have that already. We'll just say finish. So within here, one of these is probably contacts. Maybe contacts? Let's try contacts. We want to add a server essentially. No, we don't know a person individually. No server, TeamSpeak, bookmarks. Let's see if we can add a bookmark. Manage a bookmark. We can, okay, they've got a TeamSpeak public, that's a default server that they probably put in there. New server, call this one Aveson. Here comes the important stuff. Address, I think they mean the IP address of your Aveson TeamSpeak server. So I'm going to put that in. It is 198.15.70.250. That's the IP address of it. It has a port number. I don't think we need to put that in. There is a server password, which is, what did I set it as? Aveson 2014. Capital A. VESON 2014, so that people who don't know the password can't automatically jump into the server. Say OK. Now let's see if we can go into our bookmarks or go to the bookmark area, and we'll choose that Aveson Minecraft server, and I think that's going to make it try to connect. Okay, now we've connected. It shows that we've done so. So if there were somebody else online here, and we'll test this later, we would be able to speak with them while we were playing Minecraft in the background. That's it for this. Couple of last comments. I'm not going to do a PC version of the install because it's essentially the same thing, except when you run the install program, you answer all those same questions in terms of the IP and so on. Also, in the PC version, they do prompt you if you want to install something called Wolf Overlay. Unless you know what that is and want it, I would advise not installing it. Have fun, be responsible. Goodbye.